Hello, this is Eve from Sewing in Color, coming to you with these wooden earrings, hand painted. They're hand painted with acrylic, um, all kinds of different colors I use. They're hand painted on both sides. So there is these wooden pieces. I bought them from Amazon, and they do have holes, so you can insert. They make them into earrings or pendants and the like. I started priming the wood with this gesso here. It's a primer, and you can totally skip this step, but sometimes the paints go on smoother when I just pass this white gesso, because it's white, on the wood. But it's up to you if you want to use this. And this is the wooden piece. And with the paintbrush, I just slowly paint this gesso on, and you can paint it on both sides depending on what you really want to do, what your intentions are, what you want to make, what you want to create. In this video, I'm going to be showing the creation of earrings. And if you pass like a really thin coat, you can just let it dry. It dries pretty quickly. Or if you want to speed up the drying process, you can use a blow dryer. Here I'm using these very small paint brushes, and because I paint sometimes very fine details, so it's convenient to use these kind of brushes. I'm gonna add some acrylic paint. I usually at least this is the way I work, put the colors, from that I want to use. I usually squeeze them out one at a time, and then I start the painting process. Sometimes you can do outlines of what you want to paint, and it depends on all, really really what you want to do. Well, sometimes I just, I don't do outlines. I just go along and have fun. Of course, if you want a symmetry and a perfect symmetry, some sort of outline has to be done. In this demonstration, I used a little bit of orange and a little bit of red acrylic. Use these fine paint brushes because you really want to be careful. You don't want one color to go into the other, so you have to be very slow. Be really careful. And this is just a quick example of the way you can proceed. These are some examples of some rings. Different pieces I've already painted with acrylic. This is another example. This one too. Different types of motifs you can create. If you're very artistic, you can really have fun. Here I decided with dots, yellow dots. Seems like a dotted half moon or something like that. Here again, some yellow with a little contrasting black dots. And here we're going to proceed to put the jump ring and a hook to create the whole earring. Here are the two pliers that I'm going to be using. These nose pliers. This is the jump ring I'm going to be putting through this hole. We use the nose pliers. This nose pliers to you can use it to grab the ring because it's easier. And these are nose pliers. They're like straight nose pliers, and I hold them together and I twist the ring in order to open it. Okay, so there I twisted it, but it's not good enough. I'm gonna have to open it a little more so that it can get into that hole. So here, these nose pliers, you hold it, and with the straight nose pliers, you twist again and to get it into the hole. So a little more trying, gradual, because you don't want to break anything. And then when it's all inserted, you take this other ring and you insert it as shown here. With your index finger, you hold the hook of the earring and you straighten up with these straight nose pliers. You straighten as much as you can. Okay, because you did twist it, so now you straighten. And you, yes, squeeze them together. You squeeze them together so that they close. And there you have your finished earring. Last step here would be to take some very strong, this is like a glue, very strong glue, fast drying glue with a pin. And all you need is to squeeze out a little, and you take the pin, you dip it in the glue, the point of the pin, and you just apply a little bit, just a little bit where the opening is. There isn't really not much of an opening, but here you want to secure this ring and make sure nothing slips out and nothing falls apart. So just like that, and it dries in no time. And here you're ready to go. These earrings can be found in my Etsy Sewing in Color store. The link is going to be in the description, so check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye. Till the next video.